YouTube tags are words or phrases that creators add to their videos to help them get discovered by viewers searching for content on the platform. Tags can range from specific keywords related to the video's topic to broad descriptors that capture the overall theme. One of the benefits of using tags on YouTube is that they can improve the visibility of a video in search results. When a viewer types in a search query, YouTube's algorithm considers the tags on a video to determine its relevance to the search terms. Another advantage of using tags is that they can help creators attract new viewers who may be interested in their content. By including tags related to trending topics or popular search terms, creators can increase the likelihood of their videos appearing in suggested videos or recommended content. To optimize the use of tags, creators should focus on using relevant and specific keywords that accurately describe their video's content. It's also important not to overstuff tags with too many generic terms that may not be applicable to the video. In conclusion, YouTube tags are a crucial component of video optimization and can play a significant role in attracting new viewers and driving engagement on the platform. By understanding how to use tags effectively, creators can improve their chances of being discovered by viewers searching for content in their niche.